Chiliz value equivalent to 2.5126 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.3441 to 2.5199. The earlier day close, 2.3813. The change was plus 0.1313, plus 5.51%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 2.38 rands, high 2.55, low 2.21. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost 2.39 rands, high 2.56, low 2.22. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost 2.53 rands, high 2.71, low 2.35. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, April 13, cost 2.67 rands, high 2.86, low 2.48. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost 2.68 rands, high 2.87, low 2.49. In multi-week Chiliz conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost 2.67 rands, high 2.86, low 2.48. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 2.61 rands, high 2.79, low 2.43. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost 2.72 rands, high 2.91, low 2.53. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 2.76 rands, high 2.95, low 2.57. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost 2.58 rands, high 2.76, low 2.40. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 2.57 rands, high 2.75, low 2.39. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost 2.58 rands, high 2.76, low 2.40. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 2.51 rands, high 2.69, low 2.33. In 3 weeks Chiliz figure on Monday, May 1, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.51 rands, high 2.69, low 2.33. Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.65 rands, high 2.84, low 2.46. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.56 rands, high 2.74, low 2.38. Chiliz figure on Friday, May 5, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 2.46 rands, high 2.63, low 2.29. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 2.14 rands, excessive cost 2.95, while low cost 2.11. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.43. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.51, change for April 17.3%. Chiliz conjecture for May 2023. In the first place cost at 2.51 rands, exorbitant cost 2.85, while low cost 2.29. They found the middle value of cost 2.58. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.66, change for May 6.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 2.66 rands, exorbitant cost 2.66, while low cost 2.19. They found the middle value of cost 2.47. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.36, change for June 11.3%. Chiliz estimate for July 2023. To start with cost at 2.36 rands, exorbitant cost 2.61, while low cost 2.27. They found the middle value of cost 2.42. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.44, change for July 3.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 2.44 rands, excessive cost 3.03, while low cost 2.44. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.69. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.83, change for August 16.0%. Chiliz conjecture for September 2023. At the outset cost at 2.83 rands, excessive cost 2.83, while low cost 2.21. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.56. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.38. Change for September 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 2.38 rands, excessive cost 2.38, while low cost 1.86. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.16. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.00. Change for October 16.0%. Chiliz conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 2.00 rands, excessive cost 2.03, while low cost 1.77. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.93. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.90. Change for November 5.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.90 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.33, while low cost 1.90. The found the middle value of cost 2.08. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.18. Change for December 14.7%. Chiliz estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.71, while low cost 2.18. The found the middle value of cost 2.40. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.53. Change for January 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.53 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.14, while low cost 2.53. The found the middle value of cost 2.78. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.93. Change for February 15.8%. Chiliz estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.93 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.93, while low cost 2.29. The found the middle value of cost 2.65. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.46. Change for spring 16.0%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 2.46 rands. Excessive cost 2.46, while low cost 1.93. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.23. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.07. Change for April 15.9%. ZAR to CHC conversion standard equivalent to 0.3980 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.3968-0.4266. The earlier days nearby 0.4199. Change for now 0.0219, 5.22%. ZAR to CHC cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz gauge on Monday, April 10, cost 0.420 coins, high 0.452, low 0.392. ZAR to CHC forecast on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.418 coins,